unseen, building my throne in the cracks in between. You wrote my name in whispers and lies, but every secret just made me rise. You played your hand, you took your aim, but every wound just fed the flame. Now the dark has found its king. Proud of me, let the anthem ring. They call me a curse, they call me insane, but I wear the hate like a golden chain. From the ashes I forged my crown, until your hero's down. I'm the villain in your story, the chaos in your glory. I'll be the shadow in your light, the storm you cannot fight. Just say just what is scared, no empires unprepared. I'm the king they'll never see, and you will battle me. Rise and watch your world burn in my eyes. You put your
Last night I dreamt I fell in love, floating high like stars above. Golden lights and velvet skies, lost inside your moonlit eyes. Your voice was soft like a melody, whispered secrets just for me. Time stood still, hearts beat slow, in a world only we could know. Oh, I don't wanna wake up, let me stay inside this dream where your touch is like forever, and your love is all I need. Oh, last night I dreamt I fell in love, but was it only make-believe? We danced through halls of silver rain, laughed like we'd never feel the pain. You held me close, I swore it's real. Love so strong, I swore I'd feel. Your heartbeat echo endlessly, like a song inside of me. But the morning stole the night, left me chasing fading